Hello traders, welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video and new strategy. Today I will trade on pocket option with new strategy. So I explain the strategy. The strategy is, first go to indicator section and click moving average, okay, and double click is moving average and setting is 9. Click save. Sorry, I changed the color and is red. Click save and another moving average period is 21 and color is black and click save. And strategy is when the moving average cross the black line, red moving average cross the black line, market should be going up, okay. And when red moving average cross the black moving average and market in going down, okay. Let's start trading and okay, let's start trading. And I see market is not good here, is not a perfect situation, but I trade place on 1 minute for 30 seconds for down trade, okay, because moving average, red moving average cross the black moving average and here is a level, okay, and market go down, okay, and sorry is not profit, so I took place another trade. Here is the perfect situation for update for 30 seconds, and I to place trade and I placed 2 trade for this for this strategy. So let's see the result. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for next update. And if you join pocket option, I can link in description box below. You can join pocket option, is the best broker and is a quickly withdraw.